Welcome back. Ponda Shigmo dispute is finally resolved. The High Court has disposed the petition filed by ex-MLA Ravi Naik led Ponda Taluka Antru Shigmotsav Samiti after assurance given by the state government to give equal importance to the Samiti. State government made it clear before the court that they welcome floats from every group and they are ready to accommodate members of Ponda Taluka Antru Shigmotsav Samiti in government's Shigmo Organizing Committee.
Dispute between Government Shigmo Organizing Committee and ex-MLA Ravi Naik led Ponda Taluka Antru Shigmotsav Samiti ended amicably on Tuesday before the High Court. During the hearing of petition filed by Ponda Taluka Antru Shigmotsav Samiti, government agreed to give equal importance to Ravi's Samiti. On behalf of the government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that government wants more and more Shigmo floats to participate in the competition and they welcome floats from all the groups. Advocate General also said that government is ready to accommodate members of Ponda Taluka Antru Shigmotsav Samiti in Government Shigmo Organizing Committee. Government also agreed to give space to the members of Ponda Taluka Antru Shigmotsav Samiti on the judges' stage. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Government has opined that petitioner Claude Alvarez's main objective is to enter the political ticket. The Goa government has denied allegations made by the petitioner relating to CEC. Government is of the opinion that mining leases should be auctioned only after abolition of Act 1987, which is currently sub judice.
On behalf of the state government, Mine Secretary R.K. Verma has filed say joinder petition in the Supreme Court on Monday. The government cleared its stand that it is not against the CEC and the petitioner has made wrong and irresponsible pleas to the court. State government never attacked CEC in its affidavit. Government is not against CEC or any of its members. State government and officers have highest regard for CEC and its members. State ensures that high-powered committee will examine every matter pointed out by the CEC and Shah Commission. Action will be taken as per the law. Politicians involved in alleged illegal mining were not mentioned by the CEC, though they were readily available in the PAC report. Government also made it clear as to why they were supporting the mining dependents. Government has to balance all interests including mining affected, mining dependents, economic interest and interest of public exchequer. Only BJP-led government acted against illegal mining since liberation. State government supports auctioning of all mining leases. Matter is sub judice. Comparison of Goa with Bellary by petitioner is totally wrong and irresponsible. Petitioner does not represent mining affected people. Petitioner's main objective is to enter into political ticket. Government denies allegations made by petitioner Claude Alvarez in regard to appointment of Justice RMS Kandeparkar Committee. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
A young school student drowned off the Arosim beach on Tuesday morning. Akshay Naik from Welsav and Sachin Madar from Kasauli headed for a swim. Akshay got drowned due to heavy sea currents. However, Drishti lifeguards could rescue Sachin Madar.
On Tuesday morning, Akshay and Sachin had been to ROC beach for a swim. They had just answered the paper. The two friends had gone to ROC in their school uniform with their school bags. Unfortunately, Akshay was pulled by the heavy sea currents. When the boy shouted for help, the Drishti lifeguard could save only one life. Sachin Madar was saved from the sea waters. Akshay Naik and Sachin Madar both studied in St. Thomas High School in Kasauli. The deceased Akshay Naik hailed from Welsav while Sachin is from Kasauli, both aged 14 years.
आनी थंयसर तो आमचे भाव अक्षय संपलो जाल्यार आमकां चड दूख भोगता पूण मागता देवान ताका शांती दिवं पूण आमच्या नवे आमचे जनरेशन भुरग्यांनी मातशें लक्ष घेवचें वडिलांचें आयकूंक सांगलेलें आयकूंक वडिलांचें माय पायचें टिचरीचें मॅनेजरांचें प्रिंसिपलाचें सांगलेलें आयकल्यार आमकां दिसता हे भुरग्यांक जर तर खरें ताका हें आहा मन आसा ते आपल्याचे जिविता भाशेन सगळी असली घडण्यो आनी केन्ना घडूंक पावचें ना.
कासावले सेंट थॉमस स्कुलाचे 2 जाण भुरगे आपली 8वेची एग्जाम कंप्लीट करून मौज मजा करपाक म्हणून आरोसी बिचाचेर हांगसर न्हांवपाक येयल्लेले. तितूंतले 2 जाण भुरगे पेरंट्सांक कोणाक सांगिनासतना बिचाचेर न्हांवपाक येयल्लेले. तितूंतलो अक्षय नायक हो वेलसांव रावपी भुरगो बुडोवन सोंपलो आनी दुसरो सचिन मादार म्हणटा पळय त्या भुरग्याक दृश्टीच्या लायफ गार्डांनी रेस्क्यू केलो. आरोसीच्यान Prudent Media खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
If mining does not resume within 1 year, the whole cooperative sector can sink due to mining closure. Finance Minister and Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar expressed this concern on Tuesday. He said that the cooperative movement in the state is linked with the mining industry in the state to the tune of 600 to 700 crores directly and indirectly. Parrikar also said that there is 101 crore exposure of the cooperative sector.
नाही गोवा स्टेटीक शेअर कॅपिटल दिवंक जाय गजाल बरोबर आसा पण ती बुडटली बी म्हणटा पळय ती तळाक आसा ऑलरेडी तिका आतां वयर ओडून काडटात आमी तांकां जाय तें शेअर कॅपिटल जाय बिकॉज कॅपिटल एडेक्वेसी रेशियो जो आसा पळय अंडर सेक्शन 11 ऑफ रिझर्व बँक ऑफ हे इट इज ब्रीच लॉंग बॅक 5 years बॅक सो वी आर इन टॉक विथ द बँक. We won't allow the bank to sink, but I think bank should also be proactive in taking legal action against those who have brought it to that stage. Mining बंद जाल्यामुळे लोकांकडे जाय तितलो पयसो घोळना पयली भशेन. सर्क्युलेशन मार्केटांतलें जवळ जवळ 15-16 हजार कोटी रुपयान गेल्या 9 म्हयन्यान कमी जाला. 17,000 crores which would have come into the circulation has not come. That is a reality. Now that money would have made many people to somehow manage to pay it back. Their exposure is 101 crore if I am not mistaken. Yes, sir. 101 crores. So in next 5 to 6 months, 101 crores is likely to be NPA. We have not understood the seriousness. I am in desperate attempt to getting in touch with Reserve Bank Governor, but I have not been able. He was out of country. But I'm trying still. म्हणजे ह्या म्हयन्यान केन्ना तरी मेळटलो हाका ओनली टू वर्क आउट सोल्युशन ऑन दीस. दिस फूल थिंग कॅन गो डावन. त्यामुळे आमची जी चिंता आहा पळय हांव परत परत सांगता खूब जाणांक हाजेर सिरियसनेस लक्षान येवन ना. दुर्दैवान आमच्या गोंयान अनेक जाण ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवन ना. द कॉपरेटीव मुवमेंट इज लिंक्ड टू द बार्ज मायनींग इंडस्ट्री to the extent of 600 to 700 crores directly and indirectly. So पूर्ण मायनींग इंडस्ट्री जर तूं फुडल्या अनेक वर्सभर बंद उरली जाल्यार द फूल कॉपरेटीव सेक्टर कॅन सिंक विथ इट.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.